What's up, gang? Brian Maxwell checking in out here at Gainesville, Mitsubishi, out here in Gainesville, Florida. Rocking out, bringing in some strong people. Got another class starting. But what I want to talk about right now today is something very important, and that is tonality. Now, out of 100% of our communication with one another, do you know that tonality, that body language accounts for about 60% of our communication? Tonality counts for another 30%. And that the actual words that we speak literally account for 10%, if not less, than our communication. And let me prove to you what I mean. Do you remember when you were a kid and your mama said it's not what you say, but how you say it? Because if I were talking to somebody and I was like, man, shut up, man. If I was like, man, shut up, man. If I was like, man, shut up. Now, I said the same exact words 3 different ways just by adjusting my tonality. Now think about how often you've been in talking with a customer at your dealership and you've said something, but somebody else walks in the room and can say the exact same thing and it seems like the light just goes off or they get it. We may think that it's because, it's another voice or this other person. It may just be as simple as the tonality that they used while they were talking with this particular person. Because there's a lot of times when you engage with customers, we think just because we say something that they interpret it the way that we meant it. Think about how many times in your life have you ever been having a conversation with somebody and you said something, and because your tone was off a little bit, they thought you were being smart, they thought you were being sarcastic, they thought you were trying to be an asshole, but in reality you weren't. They just misread, misinterpreted, or misjudged the tonality that you were using while you were talking with this particular person. So make sure that when you interact and you engaging with your customers, that you remember it's not what you say, but it is how you say it. Make sure you are very aware, of your body language, okay? Do you look like somebody that enjoys where you work at? Are your clothes presentable where you look like you can afford the product you're promoting? Does your facial expression look like you are excited to have somebody in front of you that you're getting a chance to help? And then when you're communicating with them, I always tell people the key is that if you can articulate an idea or a feature or a benefit on a level where a third grader can comprehend the benefits of what you're talking about, at least on a general level, you're ready to engage with adults. Because we have no idea the education level of the customers that's coming in. We don't know if they have 6th grade education, 12th grade, or some college. And so trying to use big words or talk really intelligent, a lot of times can hurt you more than it'll help you. And so you want to make sure that you can break something down so basic that a child can hear what you're saying and have somewhat an idea of where you're trying to go with it. Then you're ready for adults. And then lastly, make sure that you pay attention, that you're aware of your tonality that you're using. When you're delivering certain information that's supposed to be good news, are you heightening your tonality? Are you adding in that level of excitement in what you're talking about? Or are you presenting it like it's just the worst news ever? It's like this. I've watched a person come out, a customer say they want their payments to be at $450 a month. They got $1,000 to put down, and they want $5,000 for their trade. And then I've watched the sales rep come out and say, all right, folks, well, here's what I got for you. You guys' payment is it's going to be around $450. You guys are going to have to put like $1,000 down. And as far as for your trade, yeah, they're willing to give you like $5,100 for it. Or someone come out like, hey, folks, listen, I got great news. So in order for you guys to start enjoying this vehicle right away, your monthly budget, you're only looking at $525. And as far as your initial investment, put down $1,500. That'll help you all start enjoying it immediately right away. And as far as your trade, we love it. We want to buy it from you. We're going to give you $4,000 for your trade. Now, if I asked you which one of those were the better options, most people would say the second one. But it wasn't. The first one was actually the best option, but I delivered it in a way that made it sound negative. And the second option was nothing what the person asked for, but it was delivered with excitement, with enthusiasm, like it was an excellent opportunity for them to start enjoying what it is you have for them. So be mindful of the tonality that you are using while you're speaking with your guests, of your body language, of your facial expression. Are you saying, hey, I want you to have a good day? Or are you saying, hey, I hope you're having an awesome day? Okay, that plays a huge part in that. And tonality is just one aspect of being a successful sales pro. There's a lot of other ones, like knowing the steps to the process and the psychology behind them, knowing what question to ask when you're engaging with your customer, knowing how to be a better listener, knowing how to present features in a matter where you present what the feature is, what life is like without having it, and how having it is beneficial to that person, how to do a service tour and a dealership tour after a demo drive to really decrease their defenses and make it easy for you when you sit down to be able to educate them on the numbers and what the vehicle comes with, and why it is what it is. All of these things play a part. If you're looking to get better at any of those things, I highly encourage you to click the link in the description, because there's some awesome training resources that are available for you. And if you know me, you know I'm all around the United States of America, working with some of the biggest dealer groups around, and I produce thousands of people that are out here generating $70, $80, $100,000 a year, utilizing the same exact tips, methods, and information that I'm sharing with you. So if you're looking to get better and perform better at your dealership, convert more deals, hold more grows, and just have more fun doing it, click that link in the description and come on over, because one special treat I got for you is when you click that link in the description, you decide to go over and get started. Guess what? You and I actually work together. That's right. You become a member of the Platinum Inner Circle with me. And what we do, we take your skills and we take all this information, we bottle it up together, and we shoot it off like a rocket to help you increase your sales where you convert in 15. If you have 15, you're hitting 20. And if you have 20, you're going to 25. If you're looking to stop making $3,000 a month, start making $10,000 a month, click that link in the description. Come on over. Take advantage of the awesome programs that are available and made for you to be able to benefit and join myself and thousands of others on this journey to be able to take yourself to the next level in sales, conversions, and making money. So click that link in the description. Go on over, take advantage of the tremendous products and programs available. I guarantee you, when you click over there and look and see everything you get, and all you have to do to get it is going to blow your mind. So click the link in the description. Go on over. Get started. I'm Brian Maxwell, checking in again from Gainesville, Mitsubishi, and I look forward to seeing you at the dealership. Over and out, folks.